Hey guys, today I will show you an easy fix on how to transfer money in between Revolut accounts in 2025. Make sure to watch till the end to avoid missing any steps. Let's get started with the video. Step 1. Open the app and go to the Transfers section. You'll find it right in the main menu of your Revolut dashboard. Step 2. Tap Send Money. This option is located within the Transfers section and is your starting point for sending funds. Step 3. Now add or select a recipient. If it's a new recipient, tap New and choose Revolut Recipient to add their details. If it's someone you've sent money to before, just select them from your list of existing recipients. Step 4. If you're adding a new recipient, you can search for them using their Rev tag, Revolut's unique ID. Step 5. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. Just enter the amount, confirm the transfer, and you're all set.